Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 70, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to open the controls menu, and to open the controls menu press and hold the light button, and after a second or two the menu should pop up. Now you can scroll through this menu by swiping on the screen, like around the screen basically. Scroll through it and look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. It should be this one, and once you select the Do Not Disturb mode icon you will see the status of the mode. As you can see, at the moment it is turned off, and if you want to turn it on you can tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon, or you can press the start button depending on which one you prefer. And once you change the status to on, the mode is enabled. As you can see, the icon also changed how it looks like. It's not crossed out anymore. So that's how you can tell the status is on and the icon changed the appearance. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And what it does, it basically mutes the notifications on your watch, and basically preventing the watch from disturbing you. And to disable the mode, you open the controls menu. You again hover over the Do Not Disturb mode icon and tap on it, or press the start button to change the status to off. And now the mode is disabled, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.